Hello, one-click fam. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's dive deep into another alien AI tool named Ghibli AI, an AI-powered tool to turn your prompts into magical Ghibli-style content. No drawing, no skills needed. Sounds too good to be true? Let's check what makes it possible. This futuristic AI tool is filled with features to help it deliver what it promises. Have a look at what I mean. Ghibli-style magic. Instantly turn any voice command into dreamy, hand-drawn Ghibli-style content. No skills needed. Just upload a prompt, no drawing, editing, or AI know-how required. High-quality output. Get stunning, high-resolution images and videos ready to print or share online. Fast and simple, create your Ghibli content in seconds with just a few clicks. One-time payment. Enjoy the magic at no extra cost, no hidden fees, no subscriptions. Everything sounds great, but what's the catch? It's the setup and steps that make the tool exceptionally effortless. Let's check. Even the unskilled newbies say that Ghibli AI is a cakewalk. Time to verify. Come on. Step 1. Upload your photo/voice. Choose any picture or video you want to transform, portrait, pet, or landscape, or simply give a voice command for your Ghibli-styled content. Step 2. Let AI work its magic. The tool instantly turns it into a Ghibli-style masterpiece. Step 3. Share and earn. Share your artwork magic with the world and charge whatever you feel. The best part? Ghibli AI is just $14.95. A one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund. No questions asked. So, is Ghibli AI worth it? If you love anime, want stunning art, or just want to Ghibli FY your photos, it's a yes for sure. But pay attention. This deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links are in the description.